Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to have a look at Google AI Edge Gallery running on the CPU and running on the GPU. So I'm using CPU Z and it also is able to see the clock speed of the CPU cores. There is a line for GPU load, but I don't see anything happening there. But we'll just assume that when the clock speed stays low, that the AI load is actually running on the GPU. In theory, it could also be the NPU, but Google AI Edge Gallery says that it's GPU, so we'll go with that. So Google AI Edge Gallery, so if you import a model, then you have the option to also activate it for the GPU. So I already imported it, so I don't need to do that again. And I don't get a good result on the GPU with Qwen 2.5, 3 billion. So I'm going with the Hammer 2.1, 1.5 billion parameters. So now we're on the CPU. So let's just say why is the sky blue? And now you can see that the clock speed goes up. So the two big cores, they can go up to 2.4 gigahertz, and the small cores, they go up to 2 gigahertz. So if we look at the stats, decode speed 5.19 tokens per second. So if we go to the settings, then we can say like, okay, we want to run it on the GPU. And as you can see, we have the Mali-G68 mobile GPU. It's already several years old and it's not the fastest mobile GPU, but yeah, I was surprised to see that Google AI Edge Gallery can make use of it. So let's try the prompt again. So here we go. Well, there is some load on the CPU, but after that you can see that the CPU, well, it doesn't have the full CPU load like the 2 gigahertz and the 2.4 gigahertz. And the performance is actually, well, for a mobile GPU, quite good. 5.88 tokens per second. So if you look here, that was 5.19, so it's slightly faster. And yeah, I was actually a bit surprised that it's actually working on a GPU. Again, it doesn't work with all the models, at least not for me. Perhaps if you have like the latest and the greatest Snapdragon, then things probably will work better. But again, yeah, even for relatively modest Mali G68, Google AI Edge Gallery can make use of the GPU. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.